Ubla Lotak, Kanuit Pisi. Today is Thursday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Let's start today's assembly by talking about some gym expectations. Remember to use clean language and clean music while you are at gym. You can disagree, but make sure you are respectfully disagreeing without doing any harm or making any threats. Make sure you take your shoes and personal items home. Come at your gym time and not before. Gym closes at 11 p.m. During adults gym, make sure there is only adults. Babies and children stay home. During gym, there should be no swearing, aggressive, harassment or threatening behavior or adults fighting. So if you hear somebody swearing, you go home for the night and you get 5 minutes to leave the building. If you're not listening to your gym coordinator and if you do not leave within 5 minutes, that means you do not get gym for 1 week. So what happens when you swear? When you swear in gym, you get to go home for the night and you get just 5 minutes to leave the building. If you do not listen to your gym coordinator and you do not leave within 5 minutes, that means you get no gym for 1 week. How about aggression, harassment, and threatening behavior? You go home for the night and you have 5 minutes to leave the building. If you do not listen to your gym coordinator or if you do not leave within 5 minutes, that means you get no gym for 30 days. When adults get into fight, the first time they have a fight, they get no gym for 30 days. And if they get into fight second time, they get no gym for the remainder of the school year. If anybody shows up with drug or alcohol in gym would be closed for all high school students and all adults for 1 week. If you show up under the influence of alcohol or drugs, you are banned from the building for 1 year. Make sure you follow all the gym expectations so that you can have fun time playing with your friends. Here is our picture of the day. Let us use our emotional wheel to guess what this little boy is feeling. Let's take a minute to see how our friend, this boy, is feeling. What do you think? Is he feeling happy?
I have a College Central.
Does he look happy to you? No. Does he look scared? Yeah, I think so. Maybe. Do you think he's feeling loved right now? Yeah, I don't think so. What about, does he look angry to you guys? Nah, he doesn't look angry. Is he looking like as if he is sad? I don't know. Maybe. Or does he look like he's anxious? I don't know. Maybe. Because if you focus on his face and his hands and his eyes, he kind of looks like he's worried. That could be a possibility. He looks like he's scared for his pet, or maybe sad because his puppy might be sick, or maybe anxious because he doesn't know what's gonna happen to his puppy next. So we can assume any of those feelings. He could be either scared, sad, or anxious, right? If you thought about a moment, how would you feel if your pet was sick? You just showed empathy for this little guy. So good job identifying what he must be feeling. We just practiced empathy and we used our feeling circle to narrow down what emotion might be present. Good job, you guys! I hope you all have a wonderful day today. Happy learning!